Today, I want to talk about my 3 favorite banks that would allow you to get a car using your EIN number. So stay tuned. My name is Jay, and welcome to Ask a Debt Collector, a subsidiary of Clear and Strategic. Now, I've been in the debt collection industry for over 15 years. I've done it all, from management to owning 2 debt collection companies. Over the last 10 years, I've been the go-to guy for friends and family for questions regarding debt and credit. Now I want to be that person for you. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. Let's go. Thank each and every one of you guys who have subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you are brand new, consider subscribing if you want to get more information with regards to credit and debt. Be sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Now, I'm not going to sit here and just tell you that once you get your EIN number, you'll be able to go and get a car. No, it's not that easy. Just because you have an EIN number doesn't necessarily mean that you can go right down to these 3 banks and get a car. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work like that. This video in particular is not about setting up that business EIN number. For those of you who don't know what the EIN number is, it's similar to your social security number. It's a number that you get for your business. Almost like on your personal side, how you have your social security number that identifies you as an individual with regards to your credit and a bunch of other things. With your business, it's your EIN number. And that number is like your social security number for your business. Now, just like on your personal credit side, just because you're 18 years old and now you have a social security number, it doesn't mean you can go buy a car right off the bat, right? There's a bunch of things that you're going to want to have to do with regards to setting that profile up. Same thing on the business side of things. There's some things you're going to want to do with your business to set that thing up. Now, if you want some help with regards to growing your actual business credit, down below is an email directly to me. Email me and I'll give you the ebook for a very, very low price if that's something you're into. And once you do email me, I will send you an invoice as well as, and once that invoice is paid, I'm not sure what I'll do. I'll probably do anywhere from $6 to $10. You know what? All you guys who see this video, I'll give it to you for $6, $5.99. I'll give you the ebook, and it breaks down setting up that credit profile. So that way your EIN number is set up to where you can actually get approved for a car through your business. The question may be, well, why would I want to get a car in my business name using my EIN number? Well, there are a lot of benefits. One of the biggest benefits that I would say is your debt to income ratio. For example, if on your personal side you got a loan for $40,000 to $50,000, your car payment may be anywhere from the high $600s to maybe $900. That on your personal side counts as your debt to income ratio, that monthly payment. When it's on your business side of things, when someone pulls your personal credit, it does not show, which means that it appears on your personal side that you have more money because you have the vehicle in your EIN. On the business side, let's get into the 3 banks that I believe are the best banks with regards to getting an auto loan in your business using your EIN number. The first bank that I want to talk about is Bank of America. Obviously, with Bank of America, they have some pretty great rates. They have right now they have rates for auto loans on the business standpoint for 5.9% interest. And you can actually get a bank loan as low as $10,000. Obviously, there's some thresholds and so forth with regards to that. But at the minimum, you can get a car loan from that bank at $10K. And depending on your business credit profile, it'll determine how high you can get that loan for the business. The second bank that I recommend that you guys all use is Ally Bank. Ally Bank is a great bank to obviously get a loan through your actual business. Another great thing about this bank in particular is you can go on their website, and depending on where you live, you can put your city and your state of where you're at, and they will actually bring up the car dealers in your area that actually will finance auto loans for your business using your EIN number. The third and final bank that you can use that I believe is my favorite with regards to getting a auto loan using your EIN number through your business is Capital One. Now, for those of you who follow me, you know I have a like-hate relationship with Capital One. Now, on the business side of things, it's a different scenario. Understand something though. With your business, if you try and get an auto loan through Capital One of the things they require is that your business is at least 2 years old. So for those of you who are just starting out, you're going to either have to wait till your business has been 2 years old and obviously your credit profile set up. And if you don't know how to do that, you can get the ebook from me. Just email me. Or another option you have is purchasing an age corporation. But those are the two ways that you can actually get an auto loan through these three banks. And they're the three best banks with regards to getting a loan using your EIN number for your business. The name of the game is, in my opinion, is first get your personal credit set up, right? Once your personal credit is set up and you have your FICO score at like a 740 plus, then one of the things I encourage every single client that I have that come to me for credit repair is you start a side hustle. I can show you how to get $20,000 to $50,000 in business funding, obviously using a personal guarantee to start out, right? Because you don't have any credit built on the business side. Now, with that 20 grand is what I did with my credit repair company, Clear and Strategic. Then you could have some capital to actually help scale your business and grow your business. Once you get that money off the bat by leveraging your personal credit, then you can start establishing your business credit, right? Getting net 30, net 60 accounts, adding gas cards to your account, so on and so forth. All that information is in the ebook. Once all of that information is all set up and you have the proper trade lines on your credit profile and so forth, then I recommend going to those three banks that I mentioned. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And as always, you be great.